Hello, and welcome to week 1 of Business Communications. This is your instructor, Kelly Brand, and I just wanted to take a minute to walk you through this first week of homework and assignments that you have, just to be sure that you know and you can find where everything is. So when you enter our Blackboard shell, you'll see the announcements will load, and you can see my week 1 announcements that have been posted. And yes, it is game on. So what is due January 14th? So I have it laid out here. So week 1 starts today, Monday, January 8th, and goes through Sunday the 14th. Like I posted in the calendar, all these assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. by January 14th. And let's take a look here. So the first thing that you'll see, the first bullet point is optional. I really hope that you choose to do it, but it is definitely an optional assignment. You can post your introduction in Flipgrid. Flipgrid is just a really fun app that you can maybe even think about how you could use that in a professional sense as well. And if you'll see, I post here, it's in the welcome announcement. So if you scroll down, you'll see the welcome announcement here on the same page that we're on. And down here, you'll see the Flipgrid. So if you want to go ahead and at least see who I am or watch other student videos and hopefully make your own, and hopefully other students will post, you will just click on the Flipgrid, and here's me, here's my bright shining face. You can click on mine to watch me.
Hi.
Or that's a little too much me. Or you can click on this plus and then go through the steps to make your own video. So I hope that that's something that you decide to do. It's not worth any points. I'm scrolling back up now. It's not worth any points, but it's something fun that we can meet each other and build each other. The second step that you need to do is go to the discussion board and complete the syllabus acknowledgement form. So, and you can see here it's worth 1 point. So what you'll do first is click on the syllabus tab, syllabus and calendar tab. You'll scroll down. I'm just going down, down, down until you see the syllabus. You can either click on this link for a very nicely formatted copy of the syllabus, or you can just look, I just kind of copy and paste it here so you have a quick view of it right here. But please go ahead and read the policies and procedures and how the class is going to run. And then once you've done that and you agree to the terms and this seems like this is going to work for you, click on the discussion board tab right here. Click on the syllabus acknowledgement forum. Click create thread. And then you'll type in a subject, your name or syllabus agreement. And here you'll type a message regarding that you agree to the syllabus and you've read it and all of those good things. Then you're going to click submit. Right now I'm going to click cancel to get out of this. And then I'm going to go back into the announcements tab. And so we've checked off number 1, which is the Flipgrid, number 2, which is the discussion board, number 3, read chapter 1 in your textbook. Sometimes I didn't always love to read everything when I was in college, but this book is pretty good and it has some pretty neat cutting edge stories, and the way that it's set up, hopefully you'll like it and you'll enjoy it. In addition to reading the textbook and reading chapter 1, I also give you some supplemental tools that you can use. So right now, if we click on the calendar, we're working in Unit 1. Week 1 is in Unit 1. So if you click on Unit 1, in the Units tab, Unit 1 assignment, you can see these are some different kinds of resources and tools that I give you. So you can read the chapter, you can go ahead and click on the PowerPoint, and you can click on, this is called a Prezi presentation. It has videos embedded in it. So those are kind of your resources and tools to use. I'm going to go back into the announcements tab and I'm going to look to see, so read chapter 1. And then the first actual real assignment for real points. Now the syllabus acknowledgement did have 1 point associated with it, but the main assignment here is the read chapter 1 and complete the review questions for chapter 1. So we are in Unit 1, so you'll click on Units, Unit 1 assignments, and chapter 1 review questions are right here. My expectation is that this is done to a professional level. So I do include a Word document that you can utilize. All answers should be typed professionally, grammatically correct in a professional format on a Word document. Then once you're ready to submit it, you will click on the Chapter 1 review questions. You will click Browse My Computer, find your file, and attach it. All right, I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to go back into our announcements tab. We just went over the 1, 2, 3, 4 things that you'll need to do. I also wrote them out verbally here as well. If you're not familiar with anything on the Blackboard site, if you don't really know how to submit an assignment in Blackboard, or you've never used a discussion board before, this link is going to be an awesome how-to. It has all sorts of videos, and it might be useful in other classes if they're using other Blackboard tools as well. This week is the foundation. You're quote unquote on your honor to make sure that you're reading things. You'll get however much you put into this. I did highlight, please note that Unit 1 folder has a great deal of information and assignments in it. You do not have to do all of them this week. This week, it is just the 4 things that I highlighted above and showed you where to go. If you have absolutely any questions, all of my contact information is up here in the staff information tab. So you can see my email, my phone number, anything that you need in order to get a hold of me. So please keep in touch. Let me know how things are going. I love to work with students. I love to be a part of your network and connect with you. So please let me know if there's anything that you need or you had a particularly great week. I look forward to hopefully seeing your faces on Flipgrid, and have a great week.